Hey everyone, and welcome to Chittur. This charming town is nestled in the heart of Kerala, offering a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. This awesome little town is tucked away in Kerala, surrounded by lush greenery and picturesque landscapes that make it a perfect getaway, right up against the majestic Western Ghats Mountains. These mountains not only provide a stunning backdrop, but also offer numerous trekking and hiking opportunities for adventure enthusiasts. It's part of Palakkad district, about 12 miles from the city. The journey to Chittur itself is an experience with scenic routes that showcase the natural beauty of Kerala. Chittur is known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and abundant nature. The town is dotted with historical buildings that tell tales of its glorious past. It's like a hidden treasure. Unlike those super busy tourist spots, Chittur gives you a real taste of what Kerala is all about. Here you can experience the tranquility and simplicity of village life. Life's a little slower here, surrounded by green trees and fresh air. The countryside is a haven for nature lovers, with its lush vegetation and serene environment. If you need a break from the hustle and bustle of city life, Chittur is the perfect place. It's a peaceful retreat where you can unwind and reconnect with nature. The people here are super friendly and really proud of where they come from. They're always ready to share their stories and traditions with visitors. This town has a long history, going way back to ancient times, with influences from all sorts of different rulers. You can explore ancient ruins and historical landmarks that offer a glimpse into the past. You can see this mix in the buildings, the art and the culture. The architectural details are a testament to the town's diverse heritage. Chittur is a town full of stories passed down over the years. These stories are vividly depicted in murals and other forms of traditional art. These stories are carved into the old temples and sung in folk songs. The temples are not just places of worship, but also repositories of the town's rich cultural heritage. Visiting Chittur is like stepping back in time, a journey right into the heart of Kerala. It's an experience that will leave you with lasting memories and a deeper appreciation for this beautiful region. Chittur is packed with history, with old temples and historical places all over. One of the coolest is the Chittur Guru Mandiram, a temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. This temple is a symbol of faith and some serious architectural skills. Its detailed carvings show scenes from Hindu mythology. People come from all over to get blessings and pray. The air inside is filled with incense and chanting, making it super peaceful. You can practically feel the history in the cool stone floors and that sandalwood smell. Besides the Guru Mandiram, there are other historical sites to check out, each with its own story to tell. These stories tell us about ancient rulers, battles, love stories, and devotion. Exploring these places is like reading a history book, a real journey of discovery. Chittur is a town where tradition is alive and well, a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously. The streets are filled with the sights and sounds of a rich cultural heritage that has been passed down through generations. Woven together with bright, vibrant cultural threads, Chittur's festivals and daily life are a testament to its enduring traditions. Hindu festivals are celebrated big time here with grand processions, elaborate rituals, and a sense of community that brings everyone together. These celebrations give you a peek into the heart of the community, where everyone, young and old, comes together to partake in the festivities. Onam and Vishu are two of the biggest, each with its own special traditions that highlight the unique cultural fabric of Chittur. Onam, the harvest festival, is all about feasting and having fun. It's a time when families gather to enjoy sumptuous meals and celebrate the bounty of the harvest. Families get together, share huge meals, and decorate their homes with beautiful flower designs called pookalams. These intricate floral arrangements are a symbol of prosperity and joy. Traditional boat races called Vallam Kali fill the air with the sound of drums and laughter. These races are a thrilling spectacle, drawing crowds from all over to witness the excitement. Vishu is the New Year celebration, a time for fresh starts and new beginnings. It's a moment to reflect on the past year and look forward to the future with hope and optimism. Homes are cleaned, everyone wears new clothes, and they exchange gifts. This tradition symbolizes renewal and the joy of giving and receiving. The coolest part is the Vishukani, a special display that's supposed to bring good luck. This arrangement includes items like rice, fruits, and flowers, all carefully chosen to ensure prosperity for the coming year. Temples like Chittur Bhagavathi and Sri Mahadeva really come alive during festivals with elaborate rituals and parades. These sacred spaces become the epicenter of cultural and spiritual activity. Festivals in Chittur aren't just religious things, they're a celebration of life itself. They bring people together, fostering a sense of unity and shared joy that transcends individual differences. Chittur's economy depends a lot on agriculture. The region's fertile soil and favorable climate make it an ideal place for farming. Agriculture isn't just a means of livelihood here, it's a tradition passed down through generations, deeply rooted in the culture and daily life of the people. The fertile land takes care of the community with rice paddies shining in the sun. These fields are a testament to the hard work and dedication of the farmers. The lush green rice fields, bathed in sunlight, are not only a source of food, but also a symbol of prosperity and sustenance for the people of Chittur. Coconut palms sway in the breeze, and rubber plantations go on as far as you can see. The sight of these swaying palms is a reminder of the region's rich biodiversity. The rubber plantations stretching across vast expanses highlight the agricultural diversity and the adaptability of the farmers to cultivate different crops. Rice, a major food here, is grown with skill by farmers who've been doing it for generations. These farmers have inherited age-old techniques and knowledge, ensuring that the rice they produce is of the highest quality. The generational farming practices are a blend of tradition and innovation, making rice cultivation a sustainable practice. The low-lying areas are perfect for growing rice, creating a really amazing landscape. These picturesque fields are not only a visual treat, but also a vital part of the ecosystem. The waterlogged conditions in these areas are ideal for rice cultivation, contributing significantly to the region's agricultural output. Coconuts love the tropical climate, and every part of the tree is used. The coconut tree is often referred to as the tree of life because of its numerous uses. From the leaves to the roots, every part of the tree is utilized, making it an integral part of the local economy and culture. The fruit gives us flesh, milk, and oil, and the husk is used to make ropes and mats. These traditional methods of utilizing coconuts have been perfected over centuries, showcasing the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the local people. The coconut products are not only used locally, but are also exported, contributing to the region's economy. Rubber, a newer crop, has become really important. With plantations on the higher slopes, the introduction of rubber cultivation has diversified the agricultural landscape, providing farmers with an additional source of income. The hilly slopes, with their well-drained soil, are perfect for rubber trees, making rubber an essential crop in the region. The latex from rubber trees is made into sheets for all sorts of industries. This latex is a valuable raw material used in various industries ranging from automotive to healthcare. The process of collecting and processing latex into rubber sheets is labor-intensive, reflecting the hard work and dedication of the farmers. Farming here isn't just a job, it's a way of life, connecting people to the land and celebrating all the good things nature gives us. The harvest festivals are a time of joy and gratitude where the community comes together to celebrate the fruits of their labor. These festivals are a testament to the strong bond between the people and their land, highlighting the importance of agriculture in their lives. Chittur is a peaceful escape surrounded by tons of greenery. Temples like Chittur Bhagavathi and Sri Mahadeva offer a spiritual getaway and some amazing architecture. The Chittur Bhagavathi temple, dedicated to the goddess Bhagavathi, is famous for its detailed carvings and lively rituals. The Sri Mahadeva temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, is a super peaceful place. If you love nature, Silent Valley National Park is just a short trip away. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is bursting with different plants and animals. Hiking through the thick rainforest is an experience you won't forget, with birds singing and insects buzzing all around you. The Silent Valley National Park reminds us how important it is to protect nature and how beautiful it is. Getting to Chittur is easy. It's well connected to other parts of Kerala by road and train. It's located on National Highway 544, which connects to all the major cities. The Chittur railway station is a main junction connecting to other parts of the country. There are regular buses between Chittur and nearby towns, with KSRTC and private companies running frequently. The trip to Chittur is an adventure itself, winding through bright green landscapes and giving you glimpses of rural life. The train ride is just as scenic. passing by rice fields and coconut groves with awesome views of the Western Ghats Mountains. Whether you come by road or rail, getting to Chittur is a piece of cake. It's just waiting to be discovered, Chittur is a hidden gem, mixing old traditions with modern life. It offers a unique experience, totally different from the usual tourist traps. Chittur is where you go to escape the crowds, get back in touch with nature, and dive into history and culture. The town's peaceful vibe is a welcome change from city life, with fresh air and green all around. You can see the rich history in the old temples, the local stories, and the friendly smiles of the people. Chittur's cultural heritage shines through in the vibrant festivals and traditional art forms. It's the perfect place for anyone looking for something different, a place to discover the real Kerala. Chittur is calling. Will you answer?